Want to ditch the guesswork and pinpoint exactly where your development time goes? This video will show you how to integrate Clockify with Jira. First, make sure you have both a Clockify account and a Jira account. Then, head over to Clockify's website and navigate to the Integrations section. Look for the Jira integration and click on it to start the setup process. You'll be redirected to the Atlassian Marketplace. Search for the official Clockify time tracking app, look for the Clockify logo, and click Install. Jira will ask for permissions to access your account. Review these carefully, and if you're comfortable, click Accept. This allows Clockify to connect to your Jira instance and track time against your Jira issues. Now, open any Jira issue. You should see a new Clockify button, usually labeled Track Time with Clockify or something similar. Click this button to start tracking time directly from the issue. A Clockify timer will pop up, automatically populated with the Jira issue summary as the task name. You can add a more detailed description if needed. Track your time as usual, and when you're done, stop the timer. All your track time will now be associated with that specific Jira issue and automatically populated within Clockify's reporting dashboard. You can then use this data to generate detailed reports, analyze team productivity, and refine your sprint planning process.